Hi there, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey team, eXp Realty in Naples, Southwest Florida, and we're at one of our listings where we're having a home inspection today. Naples is a unique area. We've got the rich and famous from across the world flying in and enjoying the lifestyle that we have here in Southwest Florida. This takes you right out to the Gulf. This is Naples Bay and Bayfront Marina here where we are. Anyway, I put a little bit of information down here about Naples and the area and some of the units that we have here right on the water at Bayfront. A year ago our world changed, and this St. Patrick's Day it's time to change it back, so let's all make sure and get back to normality in our world and keep on enjoying this wonderful earth that we have and get rid of evil and everything else. Alrighty, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey team, eXp Realty in Naples, Southwest Florida.